Retail Fast Track, Week 4, Lesson 6. Influencing buyers to purchase your product requires persuasive communication techniques that engage and convince potential customers. By mastering these techniques, you can effectively communicate the value and benefits of your product, address buyer concerns, and ultimately drive purchase decisions. Before attempting to influence buyers, it's essential to understand their needs, motivations, and pain points. Consider the following strategies. Buyer persona. Analysis. Develop detailed buyer personas that represent your target audience segments. Understand their demographics, goals, challenges, and preferences to tailor your communication to their specific needs. Empathy and active listening. Put yourself in the buyer's shoes and actively listen to their concerns and desires. Show genuine empathy and understanding, which will allow you to address their needs more effectively. Highlighting the unique selling points of your product is essential in persuading buyers. Clearly articulate the value your product offers, emphasizing its unique features, benefits, and advantages over competitors. Explain how it solves a problem or fulfills a need better than alternative solutions. Identify what sets your product apart from others in the market. Highlight key differentiators such as quality, innovation, convenience, or cost-effectiveness. Clearly communicate these unique aspects to potential buyers. Establishing trust and credibility is crucial in persuading buyers to choose your product. Consider the following strategies. Transparent communication. Be transparent about your product's features, pricing, and any limitations. Openly address potential concerns or drawbacks and provide clear and honest answers to buyer questions. Expertise and authority. Position yourself or your brand as experts in the field. Share valuable content, insights, and expertise through blog posts, webinars, or social media to establish credibility and trust. Social proof plays a significant role in influencing buyer decisions. Share positive testimonials, reviews, or case studies from satisfied customers who have experienced the benefits of your product. Highlight their success stories and outcomes achieved with your product. Collaborate with relevant influencers or industry experts who can endorse your product. Their endorsement lends credibility and can sway potential buyers towards making a purchase. Influencing buyers to purchase your product requires effective communication techniques that resonate with their needs, address concerns, and build trust. By understanding your audience, showcasing unique selling points, establishing trust, and leveraging social proof, you'll be well equipped to persuade buyers and drive sales.